Hello everyone and welcome back to your own channel Crypto Guy. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can make your portfolio double, how you can just invest your tokens, your USDT, your stable coin, and you can just sit, relax and make some good gains without doing anything. And even you can make up to $1,000 per month by just investing. Sit down and let your crypto grow. And in the meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed my channel or you are new here, don't forget to go like my channel, subscribe it, and also you can see like top 5 coins what I have also mentioned. And you can just give a thumbs up, and let's go and get into this video. Okay guys, so there are so many ways nowadays, and definitely these opportunities just comes and go, but you really need to go and grab the opportunity to make some money. And in this video I will just gonna tell you about Binance. I mean, if you have an account on Binance, that's great. You don't need to go anything because crypto is getting little bit difficult for a newbie. Decentralized exchanges, uncentralized exchanges, DeFi, yield farming, everything. I mean, I am getting emails and everything that how we can just sit and relax and make some money. So if you have account on Binance, that would be awesome. If you don't have a Binance account, just go in my detail and you will find the referral link. It will also help the channel and will also help to motivate me to make some more videos like that. So in this video I'm just going to tell you that how you can make your portfolio double, how you can invest your stable coin, your Bitcoin, and you can just sit and let it grow and you can enjoy the gains. So first of all, let's go to the coin gecko, and here I want to show you the Binance coin. This is the coin which is most important. I mean, if you remember that in the beginning of this year this coin was only less than $50, even like $30, some people remember that. And now this BNB, it's increasing a lot. And the first way I will going to tell you about this crypto, how to you can double it, how you can invest it, and how you can just make gains on Binance, because Binance is one of the trustworthy and you don't have to do anything. Just you can go there, go to your overview, deposit the amount in fiat, and you can also deposit your Bitcoin, Ethereum, any stable coin, or you can just buy it from your card as well. If you haven't watched, you can also watch my other videos where I have told how you can one is exchange and also about some where you can buy it. So let's go and I will tell you how you can make passive income by doing this. Okay, so the first way how you can make a passive income is if you go to Binance and if you go to the Launchpad and click it here, this window will pop up: Binance Token Launch Platform. Buy or earn new tokens directly on Binance. They already have launched 42 projects and they have like over about 800,000 unique participants. So this is the first way that you have to come here and you can just take BUSD, or you can, according to the project it depends, but mostly you can easily do BNB or BUSD. BUSD, if somebody don't know about this, is a stable coin by Binance and is always one-to-one, just like USDT, DAI and USD. So you don't have to worry about it. I mean, if you can see it here, you can easily earn 55.89. I mean, a few days ago it was about over 100%, but as soon the more people are coming in, the APY or the interest rates go down. So the first thing, you just have to go come and see like which one in progress. These are the ones which they already have done. So right now there's only one in progress. You have to come and you can here see that you can stake CHR, and CHR is also a new coin and it also have a lot of potential. So you have to buy this coin on Binance by USDT or your fiat, and look, it's already about 0.4. so you can just stake it, and I already staked like 277 CHR. So now you're gonna have double profit. The first profit is the price of CHR Chromia, that's gonna increase in the wait of time because I put in my CHR there and you can redeem it whenever you want. And other thing, I'm getting LS. LS is also a new coin. It's called my neighbor LS. And if you don't know about this, I can make a separate video on that, but this is also about like $15 at the moment. So I just take CHR and I'm earning LS. So right now you can see that I have 0.0216 and I'm earning about 55%, about 56% a year. I mean, bank only give you 1% nowadays, so that's why. So you are getting LS and the price will definitely go up, and you are staking CHR. Secondly is BUSD, is a stable coin of Binance. You don't have to worry about their price fluctuation. You just go there and stake it. And I already have like 208 BUSD and I'm getting 0.090 LS and I'm getting about 12% API. This is also very big. Third option is BNB. So if you're having BNB, that's also very nice. So you can just take it here, click it here. So you just have to be in your spot wallet. You just have to click stake, and here you can just say that I have only have 0.002. Actually, this is the reward which I'm getting staking from Binance, which I'm going to tell you very soon. So you just click here, stake, click maximum, and that's it, and you are getting like 7% in 1 hour. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that you are getting this API on 1 hour. So yeah, so this is the first thing, and once you are done, you just click pending harvest. I already had 0.036. I can just click harvest and go, and if I see like how much is it, it's almost like 50 cents I already made from just harvesting some BUSD and LS. So this is the first point. Go to Binance, buy some BUSD, buy some BNB, come to the Launchpad token launch platform and stake it, and you will get it. And they already have like very many other tokens which have, but you have to come and get, because it's 19 days left, and in 19 days you can get stake and you can redeem it anytime, and you can just get your token back, original token CHR and BUSD back whenever you want. So this is the first thing, that you can make a lot of interest by just sitting, and this you are going to also enjoy this. Okay guys, so here this is the second option which on Binance you can stake and earn and get some good gains, is BNB Vault. So you just have to come to Binance and click on finance, and here you can have Binance on one-stop investment solution. You click on it and this page will be open. BNB Wallet, one click to earn multi-benefit with BNB, and you just have to own BNB. And right now you can see that BNB is about $271. You can just buy it on Binance, buy your fiat, or you can just exchange it with BTC or Ethereum. And once you have this in your spot wallet, you just have to come here and you have to click stake, and you can also option this auto transfer. This means like if you have some BNB just sitting lying down in your spot wallet, it will automatically come here and will start giving you multi benefit. First benefit is that you are getting BNB in reward. I mean, I only have 0.08. I mean, it's just like 50 US dollar at the moment, but I'm getting this reward back. And secondly, you are also getting the newest launch project as well. This is 0.0129, and this is I'm also harvesting or getting it, and it's coming daily in my spot wallet. So this is the second option from Binance, where you can just go, click stake, and whatever you have in spot, click maximum. I have read and agree and click confirm, and it will just start making money, that your crypto is making crypto for you. So this is the second option for Binance to make some more gain. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about the third option of Binance Earn. And if you have Binance and you already saw my two options, this is the third option, and there are many options in this option. You just have to go and click on Earn, and here you can see all your saving what you have here, or you can just come here, click here, and then you can see the option of Binance Earn. So there are many more. There are flexible saving, Launchpad I already told you about guys, BNB Vault I already told you. Flexible saving is very nice. You just have to I mean 1.20 is not that enough, but if you have some BTC laying down in your spot wallet, you can just make some 1.20%. And stable coins you are getting 6. I mean, you can redeem it anytime right away. If you are having staking it and you just want to get it back, or you want to invest it somewhere, you just take it and you will get the interest plus your actual investment back. Also 1 inch you are getting this one. So these are the flexible term. Then they have this fixed term which you cannot take out. This is the fourth option, which you cannot take out your money back because you have fixed it for some term. For 7 days you are getting more than the 6%. For 14 days you're just getting 6.48. For 30 days you're getting 6.66, and for 90 days 7%. So you just have to go click transfer, and once the page load, you just have to go and here you can also enable auto transfer. You can just, here you can see that you have to have at least 100 USDT in your spot wallet, and you can just go maximum and you will get it. And this is 6.31, and it will give you about 0.12 cent about on 100 USDT. So if you are giving about 1000 USDT, you're easily earning something about $1. So that's also very optional, and there are a lot of, I mean, you can see that, I mean, you can just say auto transfer and it will just convert all the free crypto which is sitting there. It will come in this one, and there are many other options. I mean, people just bought 1 inch other, and they are just sitting on their line on the spot wallet, and until 2 weeks, 5 weeks, 1 month, you can just make some money. So this is the third and fourth option where you can flexible saving and lock saving. You can just come here and make some interest over your. So this is the fifth option where you can make a lot of, you need a lot of investment, and this is Binance Pool. You just come here and click on Binance Pool, and once you are connected you can make a lot of, but you have to invest some kind of bigger limit here, and you, the rewards are insane. I mean, you are getting 130% per year. I mean, that's insane profit. But you also have to invest a lot of amount, like 60 BTC maximum, and the minimum is 56. And but here you can see that all have been ended already. You have to be very fast, and you just have to come and subscribe it. Invest BUSD, the stable coin, and you can just earn 69. So this is, you can walk about and see what is this one. This is the fifth option, Binance token launch, I already told you. And this one, and here if you come on earn, if you come to wallet and earn, and here you can see your all of your flexible rating, and see like BNB, which I have put it. This is the cumulative interest. BTC, I have put some BTC, and I just put it yesterday, so I will get some 1.2 interest on daily. Here you can see your logged staking. If you have log, you can also stake your Ethereum 2.0, but it will get it after something, and you are up to 20% API. But you have to be bear in mind that if you put it, you have to wait it until 2.0 is fully launched. And if you go back, yeah, then you can see about your launchpad. I already told you guys that you can have the launchpad as well. And the last option I want to show you is about liquidity. Binance Liquid Swap. Here you can just come and add your liquidity to the pools, and you will get 5% plus also 3% bonus of BNB. You have to see because they are keep changing it. So you just have to come here and you have to select the one which you want to provide liquidity. First, for example, you want to provide for the stable coin BUSD and BUD, and here you have two options, because in mostly like decentralized exchange you have to have both coin, but here you can only add USDT as well. I have 29, I can just available, and here you can see that I can see the price, I can see the little bit fees because I'm adding one coin. But if you want to add double coin, then you don't have to pay any liquidity. Right now I have some USDT, but I don't have BUSD. So if I have the same amount, I can add it, but I will not get any fee charge, and the fee is very minor, I mean. And this is your slippage rate, this is your share pool, and you just have to click add and it will go there. And here you can also swap the tokens. I mean, you have a USDT and you want to go and swap it because you want to have some BTC or BUSD. And here is my share. I'm getting, like, I just took the reward, and I'm also sharing BNB in Ethereum. I'm also sharing BNB BTC, and this is my market PNL. And this is also sharing my last day yield, 3 cents. Here I'm getting 11 cents, here I'm getting 6 cents, and I can just come here, claim reward, and this will add in your spot claimed. And here you can see now I have 0 ST and it will increase as a day. So this is the fifth one, and I hope that you like this video, and definitely you can make some stable income and passive income from these small tips. And let me, don't forget, and let me leave a comment that what kind of you guys are doing. And I will also like to tell you a bonus platform is Finance. You just have to go ahead. This is a decentralized because Binance is centralized. This is decentralized. You just have to come. You have to connect your MetaMask. Once you are connected, and you can see the growth rate that you can deposit Ethereum, and you can get 8%. I mean, that's a lot. I only have 0.02. If you want, just have to go max and then deposit. And once I'm deposit, there will be this MetaMask notification open. I have to select, and you can get the DAI. You are getting 18% almost. I mean, that's insane. I mean, you can make on 1 inch, and you will get the coin, and you can just put it decentralized. So this decentralized a bonus one. So don't forget and tell me which is the best one. Are you using centralized investment platform? Are you using decentralized investment platform? And how much you have made? And if you want me to make a video on special any of them, I can definitely make it. And until that, don't forget and like Crypto Guy, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell me what do you like more about and what kind of videos you want to see. And until that, take care, stack BTC, and bye bye.